Okay, so action buttons are the buttons which are used to go to some other link or play a sound or anything you want to do with the help of a click. You use action button. So let's say I'm going to go on my last slide. Okay, this is my last slide. Yeah, it is available under insert tab, illustration group, and the name of the feature is shapes. I'm going to click on it, and then at the last we have action buttons available here. So let's say I'm going to make this one. और हमें क्या करना है, सिंपल शेप ड्रॉ करनी है, तो मैंने फटाफट से एक शेप ड्रॉ कर ली. जैसे मैंने ड्रॉ किया मेरे पास ये ऑप्शन आ गया, एक डायलॉग बॉक्स इज अवेलेबल हियर. On the first tab, it is written mouse click, and second is mouse over. It means mouse click means we have to click on this link or to this image to access that particular thing which you have filled there. Mouse over means I just have to move my mouse over this picture. Like my mouse my pointer is here currently. I just move my pointer, and as soon as I move my pointer here, the file will automatically open. Okay. So let's say I'm going to use first mouse click, and here it is available hyperlink too. There are so many things available. So first I'm going to take first slide. Okay. Hyperlink to first slide. And then if you want to play any particular sound, so you can play. I don't know whether you will be able to listen to the sound or not, but it is there. So let's say I'm going to take camera sound and then okay. If you want to change the style or look of this, अभी बहुत अच्छा सा दिखाता मुझे कहाँ गया. Let's say I'm liking this one, or if you want to change anything, so you can change as per your choice. Fine. Now I'm going to run my slideshow. Let's say I'm here right now and running it. So right now I'm at the last slide. So when I click on this, it will again move to the first slide. Second, it plays a sound. Did anybody hear that sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the first, that if I want to access my first slide again, so I can put a button over here. Let's say I am let's say I'm going here managing styles on 6 slide, and I want to add one more. So again going to the shape option, and then we have these. This is back button or previous, forward, and this is beginning or at the ending. So let's say I am going to add both. Fine. It is for previous slide. It is written automatically. क्योंकि ये denote करेगी previous slide है, तो उसने automatically क्या किया? Previous slide पे move कर दिया. और हम इसको कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं, ठीक है? And okay. And one more I'm going to insert. This one. Or this is the first slide. By default, it is first slide. Okay, fine. We are going to make it first, and then okay. We will use different sounds here. Okay, and I'm going to change this icon also. This so let's say run this. Here are my action buttons. So if I click on this, so it moves to the previous slide, and then if I go to this, move to the first slide, that is word processing. Okay, so these are some action buttons through which you can add something. और ये देखो एक यहाँ पर अवेलेबल है रिटर्न करने का, रिटर्न भी वापस बैक पेज पे जाएगा. Then movie, if you want to add some movie, so you can use here. Icon ऐसा रहता है, देखो add तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, but icon से होता है. If you want to insert any document, then sound, or here is if you want to go for health, and this is blank, I guess, custom. As per your choice, you can add it. So let's say I am going to make this one. Right. This time I'm going to link a site. ठीक है, URL हम एक link कर देते हैं. मेरे YouTube पे कुछ खुला हुआ है, okay fine. Let's say I'm going to link this, or going back to here and then copy and okay. Sound should have been sounding as well. ठीक है. And I'm going to cut this tab or off this tab, and then there is no need of pressing Control or Alt or any other key. You just simply need to click on it. Okay. So I'm going to, and yes, it is open. Actually, this is open in Chrome, and link I have copied from H, और यहाँ पर मेरी आईडी लॉगिन नहीं थी, इसलिए वो वेब पेज आया नहीं है. So we'll try for some other web page. So let's say I am going to link this site. And then full screen. Okay, now it is open. Some time to open. Yeah, it is done. Okay, so this is how you can link your websites also. Any portal you can access. Oh, sorry, you can link. Second condition we have that if mm, I want to add a slide of some other presentation. किसी और presentation की slide add करनी है. So let's say how we can do it. Just give me 1 minute. I'll take your attendance and then. So I'm going back here again on my presentation, and then one more shape I'm going to add. Let's say this time I'm going to take a document. Okay. Or hyperlink. Other PowerPoint presentation. So my presentation is available here. Okay. Here all my slides are available. जितने भी slides हैं मेरी सारी available हो गई हैं. So let's say I want to access this communication barrier slide, and then small sound, click, and then OK. Fine, it is open. Okay, so if whether you want to, you can access or you can make a link of slide of some other presentation PowerPoint file also, and if you want other document to be opened, so make it one more hyperlink and other file. So let's say this file is done. So I have here some files. So let's say this one. Okay, I'm not going to open this actually. Let's say this. Then okay. So I have attached a PDF file here. So you can see the PDF is open. Okay. So what we have learned that we can draw any shape and then make it as an action button. हम उसको एज एक्शन बटन बना सकते हैं पर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू मेक अ शेप इनमें से आप कोई भी शेप चूज कर सकते हो and then you can make an action button by just simply first of all drawing a shape. Let's say this one and then going to the insert tab using hyperlink or action options you can. Okay, so let's say this time we are going to do mouse over. ठीक, and mouse over से हम जाते हैं first slide and small sound I'm going to produce so that we can highlight when mouse over. अब there are option कि highlight करना है या नहीं करना, so let's say we are going to highlight this and then okay. Fine, and I have reached to, अरे हम तो first पे थे actually नहीं, then यहाँ पर बना लेते हैं छोटी सी shape. Fine, and then insert action. First slide, sound, okay, highlight when mouse pointer, okay, F5, fine. मैंने क्लिक भी नहीं किया, विदाउट क्लिक जैसे मैंने माउस पॉइंटर को मूव किया आपने एंड एज इट इज वो फर्स्ट स्लाइड पर पहुंच गया. नो
मैम बट वो हाईलाइट कैसे होगा?
इन अ सिंगल बटन वी कैन अप्लाई ओनली वन लिंक. एक बटन पर एक ही लिंक बन सकता है. ऑफ कोर्स की बात है ना, इफ आई से कि भाई अब आपके फोन में ही देख लो ना, अगर आपके पास बैक जाने का बटन तो बैक से बैक ही जाते हो ना, बैक से फ्रंट तो नहीं जाते, या फिर कैमरा तो नहीं चलता आपके बैक से. कॉमन सी बात है, जो बटन जिस पर्पज के लिए बनाया गया है वन बटन कैन बी यूज फॉर वन पर्पज ओनली. कॉमन सेंस वाली ये तो बात भी है कि अगर मुझे होम पे क्लिक करना है, होम पे जाना, तो वी हैव अ होम बटन है. होम बटन हमेशा होम टैब होम पेज ही खोल के देता है, वो कुछ कभी फेसबुक खोल के नहीं देगा मुझे, राइट? या सो व्हाट यू आर आस्किंग मनु?
मैम वो हाईलाइट नहीं हुआ जब आपने करा क्लिक.
चलो एक काम करते हैं, इसको इस बार हाईलाइट रहने ही देते हैं एंड देन लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, पता भी नहीं चला. इनफैक्ट इतना इतना फास्ट हो गया वो कि वो पता ही नहीं चला कि हाईलाइट हुआ भी था कि नहीं हुआ था. नो साउंड एंड ओके. ना हुआ ही नहीं है हाईलाइट. if I okay, let's say I'm going to fix and then we'll try. मुझे भी नहीं पता कि वो है कहाँ. No, there is no highlight actually. वो सिर्फ शो कर रहा है but it is not available or we are not able to find it. I'm going to do it control Z. And I think this is done. Tables. Our next session is working with tables. How you can insert a table? There are two ways. First is using placeholders from this option. Number of columns 5, number of rows I say 6, and okay, my table is created. and you can resize it as per your choice. ठीक, there are designs available. जो आपको डिजाइन सुटेबल लगता है आप वो यूज कर सकते हो. And fine. Also, you can have shading borders, and then you can create your own table also, and on this uh, option, and then design. Let's say size of my pen is okay, point is 6 point, and then draw table. हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसको बोल्ड भी कर सकते हैं चाहे तो. So this is basically used to bold or give borders to your table. और हम अलग से भी create कर सकते हैं, right? And then again I'm going to use draw table. Okay. और अलग से भी आप छोटी सी टेबल बना सकते हो. ये बन गई मेरी फर्स्ट टेबल. Then okay, so as per your choice, you can create a table using draw tables also. And the second way to insert a table is going to the insert tab. Under tables group, we have table option, and then you can choose it from this option or insert table tab. ठीक, और we have here draw table also. Draw table में वही बॉक्स आ जाएगा जो आपने किया था. What happened to my pen? Then draw table. In the same way you can make. Next is how you can enter a data into a table. It is very simple. So I'm going to make a table here. So let's say I'm going to write fine and yes. So currently this is top plus left aligned. In PowerPoint presentation or in tables, I can say there are 9 layouts. अभी तक हमने six, four alignments पढ़े थे, left, center, right, and justified. In this, we have six alignments total. First is align left, that is control plus L. Then center, that is E, and then right, that is R, control plus R. Then another C we have is top, middle, or we can say center, and then bottom. So I'm going to select this one, let's say, make it middle, bottom. Okay. This one I'm going to take right and then bottom. Okay. This I'm going to take center and left. Let it be. So basically there are three things, top, middle, bottom, left, center, and then right. Okay. This is top, middle, bottom, left, center, and then right side. Okay. These are the six alignments in table which you can use. Then we have some design tools available here. So there are some options like style, shading, borders, effect if you want to give. which styles you can give if you want to. Then table styles group में हो गया आपका apply border color. This is done. Then we have charts option available. Chart we will do in the next one, that is tomorrow. And transitions, animations, that we will again do it tomorrow. I think this is it. Chapter is finished. नहीं अभी तो बाकी. चलो transitions कर लेते हैं आज. Okay, transitions is very basic. So I'm going to add some more slides, or I can say I can use the previous one. That would be beneficial. I think my screen is visible to all now.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to make transitions. Transitions are the effects which are used to move from one slide to another slide. ठीक, transitions वो होते हैं जिनके से दूसरी स्लाइड पर मूव ऑन करते हो. So let's say there are so many transitions available here. In different versions we have upgraded transitions. ठीक, ये 2007 में आपको नहीं मिलेंगे, इवन 10 में भी नहीं मिलेंगे बहुत सारे. ठीक, तो जैसे वर्जन अपडेट होता है आप चेंज कर सकते हो, मतलब चेंज हो जाता है. Let's say I'm going to take this first one, and here is an option, effects option. It is in, out, with the bounce or out with the bounce. So let's say I'm going to make in bounce. ठीक, उसने आगे क्या किया, बाउंस किया एकदम. And I want to make the speed very slow. So you can make speed slow by increasing the time. And then preview. ठीक, in the same way you can add any type of like transition, and you can use duration. Second is sound. If you want to increase any sound, let's say wind, and then, okay, so you can use any sound. Then next option is apply to all. Apply to all means this transition will be applied to all other slides. Okay, that is up to our wish whether we want to or not. Then one of my favorite is this drape. Very nice, and what you can do is you can increase the timing, and then a beautiful sound. Let's say this one. And actually this effects will look nice when we have different colors. Currently I have presentation of same color ना, तो effects का इतना कुछ खास impact नहीं पड़ रहा. Different colors. Let's say I'm going to change the color or design of this. And then play. There was a preview. So means if your presentation is colorful, then transition will definitely look very nice. और कहाँ लगाया था हमने? यहाँ लगाया. अब तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? इसका कलर भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. Insert design. Fine. So this is how you can apply transitions in your presentation, and try to use upgraded versions now, like 2016 or 19. अभी बहुत famous भी है market में, तो use those versions. This is it for the day, and tomorrow we will learn something new. So I'm ending this meeting.